There we go. Make sure it's all in good shape. CR Parsons here, the laziest of gardeners, and as you can see, traffic has, well, you can't see because of this fence that I just built, and why we haven't had a video in a little while because I've been building fence all weekend. I was going to do a video Thursday or Friday of last week and never got around to it because I needed to get this done. This has been a project that was started last June and never got finished, and so we had some good days. We've all been stuck inside, so I wanted to get it done. So we built a fence. I should have done a video of that. I realized about 3/4 of the way through that I should have done a video of the before doing it and the after so that I could show you guys, but I didn't, and I'm sorry. I'm a bad content creator, I guess. But we're back to gardening. It has been quite a while since I talked to you guys last, but our garden is doing well. The lettuce is coming up, as you can see. It is growing nicely. Now, I'm not sure what's happening here. We've got some smaller leaves and some bigger leaves, and I'm definitely not sure what's happening with the kale. The kale, a couple of them look good, but they still look a little bit leggy. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen. But as you can see, things are coming up. These three of the lettuce have just popped up over the last day or so. So, I mean, they've just bloomed. So I think that's gonna go well. The onions are still doing spectacularly well. My understanding is when they are ready to be harvested, the tips will die, they'll fall over, and they'll look like they're gone. And that's when you harvest your onions. And of course we have our spinach. The hail took a hard toll on it. So it's been a little rough. Now what has done spectacularly well are our potatoes. That's our potato plants. They are growing like gangbusters. I'm about to have to add some mulch down in here because I think everything has leaves up. So I need to add a little mulch down in there and just keep them watered. And they will grow from where they are to about 4 foot high. So they're headed that direction very quickly. And of course we have our radishes. I'm about to plant some more radishes, and I may show you guys a video of that. But these are our radishes. They are doing spectacularly well. They survived the hail well, and they're growing up nicely. As you can see right here, we've got one with the 2 original leaves and 2 growing leaves. I don't know if you can see the little red around the edge of the plant. That is a good sign for these radishes. These radishes are supposed to have a little red around the edge, so that is a very good sign. I think we're gonna have a good little radish crop. Our peppers have struggled, and it's just because of the timing. We transplanted these right about the time the hail hit, so they have had a hard go of it. They are still living and growing. As you can see, this one's doing fairly well. All of these leaves are fresh leaves, so that is exactly what we want to see. So we've got our peppers going. Some of them have not fared as well. Obviously the hail got that one and it has never come back. Now our basil is doing spectacular. I'm excited about that. And our sage is doing spectacular. I'm excited about those two, and so those should be good. I can tell you guys, one of the most exciting things about having this fence done is that gives me an entire fence line to work a garden down, because the sun comes from that direction, this direction. So this whole fence line gets sun all day. So I'm looking forward to that. I've seen some videos, I'm watching YouTube videos on how to set up a garden in a situation like this. And I've seen some really cool things where people are attaching gutters and building tiered boxes. So hopefully before too long, you'll be able to see some of that here. I don't know how much of that I'm gonna get done this year and how much we'll have to wait till next year. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe wherever those buttons are on this thing. I never know where to point for that. The pros look like they know what they're doing, and I just don't. But thank you guys for watching. Share it along, and this is C.R. Parsons, the laziest of gardeners. I'll see you next time.